Ever wondered why your salesperson is suddenly super enthusiastic about that new product or service? Or why they're going the extra mile to close a deal? Chances are, they're chasing a spiff. Now, before you start thinking this is some kind of secret sales code or a bizarre alien creature, let's break it down. A spiff isn't a thing, it's actually short for Sales Performance Incentive Fund. It's that little extra carrot dangling in front of a salesperson's nose to motivate them to achieve specific sales goals. Think of it as a turbo boost for their performance. But how does it work? When does it happen? And is it even legal? These are all great questions. Let's dive in and uncover the world of spiffs. Imagine you're a salesperson. You've been hitting your targets consistently, but there's that extra push you need to close those big-ticket items. Enter the spiff. Your company might offer a cash bonus for every 5 high-value products you sell in a month. It's like winning a mini lottery every time you close a deal. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not entirely. Spiffs are a strategic tool used by businesses to drive sales, clear inventory, or launch new products. It's a win-win situation. The company gets to boost sales, and the salesperson gets a little extra cash. But there's more to spiffs than just cash. Companies can get creative with their incentives. We're talking about gift cards, vacations, electronics, and even company swag. It's all about finding what motivates your sales team. However, like any good thing, there's a catch. Spiffs can sometimes lead to unhealthy competition among salespeople. It's essential for companies to set clear guidelines and ensure that spiffs don't compromise the customer experience. So, the next time you're dealing with a particularly enthusiastic salesperson, remember, they might just be on a spiff hunt. And while it might seem like they're only in it for the money, the reality is that spiffs can be a powerful tool for driving sales and boosting employee morale. But wait, there's more. We're going to explore different types of spiffs, how to calculate them, and even share some real-world examples. So stay tuned for part 2 of our spiff extravaganza. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.